A curved monitor not only enhances the aesthetic appeal of your setup, but also provides a more immersive and visually pleasing experience for your eyes. With its panoramic effect, it draws you deeper into the gaming world, making every moment more engaging. We've thoroughly searched the market to discover the top-tier curved gaming monitors for you. If any of these monitors catch your interest, you can find the links in the description below. So, without further ado, let's dive right in. Number 5. Monitor Sceptre C345B-QUT168. This 34-inch curved gaming monitor offers a perfect blend of style and performance, making it an ideal choice for gamers looking for a high-quality visual experience at an affordable price point. One of the standout features of this monitor is its 1 millisecond MPRT, moving picture response time, ensuring that colors change and illuminate instantaneously. This rapid response time is crucial in minimizing ghosting and delivering precise imagery during fast-paced scenes, ensuring every moment in your game is crisp and clear. The 21.9 ultra-wide aspect ratio of the Sceptre C345B-QUT168 provides 30% more screen space compared to conventional monitors. This ultra-wide field of view, combined with the monitor's 3440x1440 resolution, not only enhances your gaming performance, but also boosts productivity, allowing you to see more and do more. Equipped with a 1500R curvature and AMD FreeSync Premium, this monitor offers a seamless and immersive gaming experience. The 165Hz refresh rate ensures fluid motion, keeping you in sync with high-speed action. Additionally, anti-flicker technology provides a crisper picture by preventing the backlight from flickering periodically, essential for reducing eye strain during extended gaming sessions. The Sceptre C345B-QUT168 excels not only in performance, but also in features, boasting a dynamic contrast ratio of 1,000,000:1, a color depth of 16.7 million, and an anti-glare surface treatment. The monitor also includes convenient on-screen display controls and game presets for FPS and RTS genres, catering to different gaming preferences. Number 4. Monitor KOORUI GA1. Get ready for an immersive gaming experience like no other with the KOORUI GA1. This 31.5-inch gaming monitor boasts a 1500R degree curved design that completely envelops you in the gaming landscape, offering a panoramic view that allows you to spot threats and opportunities before your competitors. The quad resolution at 2560 by 1440 pixels delivers a level of detail and clarity that's 4 times sharper than HD, bringing games to life with transcendent color and piercing precision. What truly sets the KOORUI GA1 apart is its stunning color accuracy. The 32-inch curved VA panel ensures consistent colors, covering 100% of the sRGB color gamut, which means you'll experience vibrant colors with every frame. The high 3000:1 contrast ratio enhances the depth of blacks, while DCI-P3 90% coverage provides higher color saturation, resulting in images that are vivid, lifelike, and capable of presenting intricate details and layers. When it comes to fast-paced gaming and action movies, speed matters. The KOORUI GA1 delivers a remarkable 170Hz refresh rate through DisplayPort, ensuring that you stay ahead of the competition. But speed isn't just about refresh rates, it's also about pixel response. With a rapid 1 millisecond moving picture response time, ghosting and blurring are virtually eliminated, allowing you to enjoy games and movies with unmatched clarity and precision. To further enhance your gaming experience, the GA1 features adaptive sync technology, eliminating screen tearing and stuttering for seamless gameplay. Number 3. Monitor Alienware AW3423DW. Alienware's legendary design is showcased with the sleek QLED curved 1800R panel, enhancing not only the aesthetics but also the gaming experience. The monitor's customizable Stadium Loop OLED Alien FX lighting adds a unique flair to your setup, enabling you to personalize your gaming environment. Alienware has prioritized efficient cooling during intense gaming sessions, incorporating 360-degree ventilation to ensure optimal temperature regulation even during extended gameplay. Additionally, improved cable management keeps your gaming area neat and organized. Adjusting monitor settings is seamless with the centralized OLED joystick, providing easy access to various customization options. In terms of performance, the monitor leaves no room for compromise. It is NVIDIA G-Sync Ultimate certified, ensuring stutter-free, ultra-low latency gameplay. The 0.1 millisecond GTG response time ensures rapid pixel color changes, reducing motion blur and ghosting, while the impressive 175 Hz high refresh rate delivers smooth and immersive visuals. What truly sets the AW3423DW apart is its quantum dot display technology, enabling superior color performance with a higher peak luminance and broader color gamut range compared to white OLED. This monitor ensures that every color pops and every scene is rendered with lifelike vibrancy. For content creators and gamers who demand precise color accuracy, the Creator Mode is a game changer, allowing you to choose between native DCI-P3 and RGB color spaces and adjust gamma settings to suit your preferences. Number 2. Monitor Samsung Odyssey G9. Step into the future of gaming with the Samsung Odyssey G9, a monitor that pushes the boundaries of visual immersion and performance. At the core of this monitor is the revolutionary QLED technology, bringing forth a spectrum of vibrant colors, deeper shades, and enhanced contrast, transforming every scene into a captivating visual experience. The Odyssey G9 elevates immersion to new levels with its super ultra-wide display. Picture a screen as wide as 2 Quad HD monitors wrapping around your field of vision with an 1800R curvature. This expansive screen offers ample space to absorb every detail, ensuring no action goes unnoticed. In terms of response time and refresh rate, the Odyssey G9 sets the standard. With an impressive 0.03 milliseconds response time and a 240 Hz refresh rate supported by HDMI 2.1 and DisplayPort connections, this monitor is a powerhouse for competitive gaming. Every movement and transition is rendered with near instantaneous precision, providing you with the edge in fast-paced gaming environments. The display capabilities of the Odyssey G9 are further enhanced by Display HDR True Black 400, allowing for true blacks and dark colors without pixel light bleed, resulting in supreme color depth and expression in every game scenario. Additionally, AMD FreeSync Premium Pro technology ensures seamless and stutter-free display of even the most complex and fast action scenes, enhancing your competitive gameplay. Number 1. Monitor LG Ultragear 45. The Ultragear 45 features an enormous 45-inch 32.9 dual QHD display with a curved design that immerses you in the gaming world like never before. With a 32.9 aspect ratio, this monitor offers a level of screen real estate that allows you to play, stream, and create on a high refresh rate display, all in vivid color on a single screen. One of the standout features of the Ultragear 45 is its versatility in managing multiple input sources. With picture-in-picture and picture-by-picture support through on-screen control, you can configure your monitor to display content from 2 separate input sources simultaneously. This means you can play games, watch videos, stream, or work from multiple sources all on a single screen. The monitor supports DQHD at 200 Hz through both DisplayPort and HDMI 2.1 connections, providing smoother visuals, vivid colors, and high-resolution graphics. That concludes our list of the best curved monitors, ensuring not only stunning visuals, but also a more immersive and comfortable gaming experience. We hope you've discovered the perfect monitor to elevate your gaming setup. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews. Until next time, take care.